In this video, we're going to simplify 20 plus the square root of 20 plus the square root of 20 plus the square root, on and on and on. So just by looking at this, it seems sort of impossible to solve, because you could think, well, it's going to be greater than 20, and then, well, the square root of 20, that's going to be over 4 less than 5, and then the fourth root of 20, well, that's going to be an even smaller number. The eighth root, smaller, and this somehow converges into one number. I have no idea what that is. But I'm going to show you a little trick. If we let x equal this equation, then we can say x equals 20 plus the square root. Now look, if we take away this square root right here and we just look at this part, this is the same thing as what we called x, because this goes on and on and on. So I can say it's equal to 20 plus the square root of x. And over here, I'm going to use this equation to solve. So to get rid of this radical, it normally helps to have the radical be secluded. So I'm going to say 20 minus x equals the square root of x equals x squared minus 2ab minus 40, minus 40x plus b squared, 400, 40x, and now we can take put this into some form that can be factored. So now I need to think two numbers that multiply to 400 and that add to negative 41. That's going to be negative 16 and negative 25. So this can be factored into x minus 16 times x minus 25 equals 0. And that means that x equals 16 or x equals 25. And how am I supposed to figure out which one it is? Well, if we look back onto the top, x is 20 plus a positive number. So it has to be greater than 20, meaning that x would equal 25. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.